Okay, children. So now we completed equations which are having variables only one side. And now we are going to discuss about the variables on both sides. This concept is very important. So one example, listen carefully. 5x minus 18 is equal to 2x. So here we are having this variable on both sides, means left hand side and right hand side. So just like before problems only, but first here we have to make the variables one side and constants other side. So generally the variable always we will write left side of the equality symbol. So that's why. So the variables which are there right side, that all the variables you transpose to the left side. So means first 5x you write. So right side 2x is there, that you transpose to the left side. So again here plus symbol, and if you transpose to the left side, it will become minus 2x. That is equal to, then left side if constant terms are there, the total terms you have to transpose to the right side. So here minus 18, this transpose to the right side, it will become plus 18. So plus symbol, if you want to write, then otherwise no need to write. So 18. Then 5x minus 2x is equal to 18. Then 5x minus 2x is equal to 3x is equal to 18. Then x is equal to 18 by 3. 3 ones are 3, 6 are 6 times we are getting answer. So x is equal to 6. So here also we can do cross check. So see here the given problem is 5x minus 18 is equal to 2x. So in the x plus if you substitute 6, then both sides we have to get same answer. So 5 into 6 minus 18 is equal to 2 into 6. Then 5 6 are 30 minus 18. 2 6s are 12. So 30 minus 18, 12. So 12 is equal to 12. So this is the process to solve the problems, the which equations which are having variables on both sides. So next one more problem. So this is very simple equation. So sometimes they will give multiplications also. Listen carefully. So one more problem. So here solve 5 into x plus 2 minus 2 into 3 minus 4x, that is equal to 3 into x plus 5 minus 4 into 4 minus x. So this like these problems you will get some confusion very carefully, because here we are having plus values at the same time minus values. So when the given problem like this, first we have to multiply or we have to simplify the brackets. See here, what is given? 5 of nothing but into 5 into x plus 2 minus 2 into 3 minus 4x is equal to 3 into x plus 5 minus 4 into 4 minus x. So first we have to multiply. Already I told you binomial by monomial, the multiplication. So these two terms multiply by the monomial. So 5 into x, 5x, now middle plus symbol, same as it is, 5 2s are 10. Now this is very carefully known because here in the middle minus symbol. So see, this binomial is multiplied by minus 2. So here symbols also we should multiply. Minus into plus, minus 2 3s are 6. Then again minus into minus plus 2 4s are 8, means 2 into 4x, 8x, that is equal to 3 into x, 3x, plus 3 5s are 15. Again say like this. So minus 4 into plus 4, minus into plus minus 4 4s are 16. Then minus into minus x, minus into minus plus 4 into x, 4x. Now first we have to add like terms. 5x plus 8x, 5x plus 8, 13x, because 5 plus 8, 13. 10 minus, next constant terms, 10 minus 6 means 4, that is equal to, then again 3x plus 4x, 7x, 15 minus 16, these both symbols are different, we have to do subtraction, then 15 minus 16 is, here actually 16 is big one, so answer we should get in the negative only. So minus 1 right now. So in the like we got like previous question. So both sides we are having variable. So that's why this 7x I am taking left side, this 4 I am transposing to the right side because it is constant. So 13x, this plus 7x comes to the left side, become minus 7x. Then minus 1 plus 4 transpose to the right side, again it will become minus 4. Right. 13 minus 7, 6x. Then minus 1 minus 4 minus 5. And x is equal to minus 5 by 6. So when the given problem is like this, means a big problem. First we have to simplify what is there in the bracket. Then after we have to follow the given thing. Then sometimes they will give based on this. They will give based on these word problems also. The next class we will discuss the word problems, how we solve that.